In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SORTN function in Google Sheets. The SORTN function is perfect when you want a clean list of top results without manually sorting or filtering. Think of it as a smarter version of sort. It lets you choose how many rows to return, how to handle ties or duplicates, and which column to sort by, all in one formula. First, decide which part of your sheet you want to work with. That's your data range. In our example, we'll use A2 to B10. Make sure you're selecting just the rows with actual data. If your first row contains headers, keep that out of the range so the headers don't show up in your results. If your list grows over time, remember you can expand the range later. Next, choose how many items you want returned. If you're building a top 5 leaderboard, that number is 5. This tells SORTN how many rows to bring back after sorting. Now choose how ties and duplicates are handled with the tie breaking mode. You'll enter a number from 0 to 3. To keep things predictable and return exactly the number of rows you requested, use 0. That means even if there are ties at the cutoff point, SORTN will still return exactly 5 rows in a top 5 list. Other modes handle duplicates differently, but 0 is the simplest when you want a fixed count. Then define how the data should be sorted. You provide the column index to sort by, counting from the left of your selected range. If A is the first column in your range and B is the second, sorting by the values in column B means using column index 2. You also specify the order. Use true for ascending or false for descending. For a top 5, you usually want the largest values first, so choose false. Now put it all together. Click into an empty cell where you want the results to appear and type X SORTN A2 B10 5 0 2 false. Press enter. The function will return the top 5 rows from A2 through B10, sorted by the second column in descending order, and it will give you exactly 5 results. If something looks off, double check that your range doesn't include a header row and that the column you're sorting by has consistent data types, like all numbers for scores. You can adjust the range, the number of items, the tie breaking mode, or the column index at any time to match your needs. That's all you need to quickly build a dynamic top-end list with SORTN in Google Sheets.